Hi, Rave audience. It's Parker with ScreenBeam. I'm here in Las Vegas at InfoComm 2022. We're in the West Hall at booth W1429, and we've got a demo of the ScreenBeam USB Pro Switch being used with a docking station. So this is another option for how you could create a wired or wireless bring your own meeting experience in conference rooms that will support different types of user devices and different types of meeting clients. So we've got our ready to connect screen showing up here. We've called this room Austin, Dell Doc, and Logitech just to make it really clear what kind of hardware we've got going on here. And so if I want to have a wireless meeting, all I have to do is open ScreenBeam Conference. I'll choose Project in Conference. I'm going to pick that device from the list of available devices, and I'm going to put in that code that shows up on the screen. And the ScreenBeam USB Pro Switch is going to know that that camera needs to be available to this laptop for this wireless conferencing session. So what we're going to see is the Pro Switch intelligence is going to move that camera over. We get the little banner message up there on the display for just a few seconds, and then we get our tutorial videos. And these are really important. We do our best to set the camera, microphone, and speakers for the user, but it's always good to have that fallback for Teams, Zoom, WebEx, GoToMeeting, those common meeting platforms, so that you can see if you need that reminder about how to get the meeting started. So now we can go into our client, like Teams here, and maybe I want to start a new meeting, so I'll just go to my calendar and tap Meet Now. And I'm going to be able to use that better quality room video conferencing hardware in my meeting, so that whether somebody is in the room or joining remotely, we're going to have a more equitable meeting. People can see and be seen and hear and be heard. So now we see we got slow internet here, but we've got the experience going on now. So that camera up there, that's what we're seeing in our meeting right now. So that's our wireless BYOM conferencing experience. Now, the other experience we can have, maybe you have a visitor comes in and they might not have the ability to install software, or you've got somebody whose laptop battery is almost dead. Well, you can have a docking station and you can run power and you can run USB, you can run HDMI, maybe you want to run Ethernet for network as well. The sky's the limit there. But I've got now this one cable connection option. So I take that USB-C cable, I plug it into this laptop, and the intelligence built into the ScreenBeam is going to take that camera and it's going to make it available to the docking station, and we're going to see the content from the laptop show up on the display there in the room. And so now I just went from having a wireless bring your own meeting experience to a wired bring your own meeting experience. And I can go in and I can join my meeting, and I'm going to have that piece of video conferencing room hardware now available to this laptop via cable instead of doing it wirelessly. So you've got options for the types of experiences you want to provide to your customers or to your end users in your collaboration spaces and in your meeting rooms. So stop on by and learn how the ScreenBeam 1100 Plus and USB Pro Switch can work in whatever kind of meeting space you have. And if you want to learn more, visit us online at screenbeam.com.